Morning, welcome back. So this week we're in Morley, started a new job. We are composite decking, astroturf, Indian stone on this one. So it's low maintenance throughout. Three at most expensive products you can have really. So it'll be quite interesting. But yeah, this is for Tom, who's my brother. It's his girlfriend's friend's mum. Something like that. So we squeezed her in, done her a little favour. Hopefully we'll get plenty of cups of tea. So, alright, let's just show you around. So it's quite a low maintenance garden already, but got Indian stone going down here, straight line. Indian stone patio around here. And then astroturf in middle, but squared up a bit. Getting rid of alt shrubs. Totally low maintenance. We're going to get pots in instead. And then over here we've got composite deck going from that tree stump just here straight across to the little Wendy house. That's going to be a grey composite deck. Yeah, it should be alright. Let's get this decking in, I think. I think it's the first job we're doing by the looks of it. I'll get that bloody tree root out. Look at the size of it. Friggin' horrible. I think it's t-shirt weather if we're getting that out. It's flying down now. Nice little dark grey. So what we've got down here is, oh god, the fence here kicks off. So having to pop a little triangle area in. We'll just have one or two boards going from nothing up to like 2 boards up here. I've got my trainers on because I don't like getting decking mucky. So yeah, it's looking good. It's going to be a nice area. All this is astroturf, and then all that's new Indian stone up there. It's a nice and simple garden. Then we've got it down just as wind and rain have started. It's a nice grey. It's classed as stone, but it's a grey deck. And then over here, see where the fence is whisked off. Gone on angle from that board all the way up. It does look alright. So it's quite a big area. I thought it would be a bit small. You tend to find with 2.4s that when you sit around the table, you don't sit like you do in a dining room. You sit away from the table having a beer, so you end up falling off if it is 2.4. But yeah, that looks quite a good size. I think it worked out 2.6, 2.8. So it's a recommendation. Just always go for like a 3 metre patio if you want a patio for entertaining, as I say. So, but yeah, I'm off home now. It's raining. I'll see you in the morning. Morning. So it's Good Friday morning, 8 o'clock. I don't think anybody will be happy with me starting the mower up in 2 minutes. Let's have a look at this. As you can see, it's on multi-levels. We did all this a couple of years ago. Dog's wrecked to that section. A whiz over that. It's holding water there. I wonder if it's coming off of this roof here. Dog's wrecked that section. Whoops. And then it's a bit better up here. But what we're going to do is we're going to cut it down. Just give it a little more. And then go over with it with seed it. And then after a few visits, black green. But this is we're here 2 weeks ago. Yeah, to the day, 2 weeks ago. I cut this right down the front. I think you saw my last one. And it's grown like mad. It's not even been warm. Quite a highly fertilised soil or something. Don't know. So what we're trying to do now is book my every other Friday, book a Friday up with grass cutting. Just cut and blow. That's all I want to do. I don't want to do out maintenance for nice houses. Just go around grass cutting, get his name out there. So if you see me with a mower, give me a toot. For all you local ones. I don't think I'll be in America though, to be honest with you, for all you guys over in the States watching. But yeah, enjoy my cutting. there you go, the top one's done. Well, out of breath now. It's a right hill, is this. Look at fence. Overseeded it and overseed. I was talking about AstroTurf and how it's good. It's good for your pets and whatnot, but yeah, these are an aspect of nature and stuff which I get. But when you've got a dog that's a puppy that just runs riot every time it comes out in winter, God, it makes a mess. Yeah, so get seed and rest. Right, I'm done now for Easter. That is me. We are going away tomorrow on Saturday, so we've booked 4 nights, I think. We might end up staying longer. I don't know. We're off up to Scotland, so if it's raining, snowing, windy, anything apart from being sunny, I think we're going to head back down. But we're going all the way up to Inverness. And then I want to go to the top, but like I say, if it's crap, then crap weather, I'm not going. I'm just going to end up head back down and stay somewhere on the way back down. So yeah, might even take you with me. Might even take GoPro with me and go see some sights on the Scottish Highlands. So have a nice Easter and I'll see you soon.